the Tech Spin and Learn flashlight. It has all these cute little animals associated with each color of light. There's 5 colors on it and a little ladybug on the top. There's also 3 other buttons for the kids so they can spin and learn, press this button or these 3. There is the off switch and 2 volume levels. Oh, I'm gonna let you hear what it sounds like.
I'm a ladybug. 1, 2,
Sorry, my kiddo's playing in the background.
3. Yellow. Let's go exploring.
There's actually a few songs on it that my husband and I sing routinely now.
Red. I light up the way.
So it sings one other that goes red, green, yellow, blue. Let's follow the Jungle Crew. Totally love this. Entertains my kid for like 10, 15 minutes.
The yellow lion.
So it is pretty fun.
Yellow lion.
Parent approved and child approved.